In this video, we will talk about the top dividend stocks. We'll talk about how they have performed in the first 11 months of the year. As you all know, this channel has talked about dividend investing, and it's one of the best ways to earn passively over a stretch of time. Remember that dividend investing is good because it gives you a return even if the Philippine market is a laggard compared to the US market and the crypto market. Consider this video as a reference point, especially if you are a busy person. Comment down below if you are a busy person and you're just watching this video, squeezing it in your schedule just to get some learning. So whatever your profession is, a lawyer, a businessman, a professional, this video can be a reference point so that even in your busy schedule, you can get ideas on where to get your earnings through dividend investing. Please do take note that what we are talking about here is the performance for the first 11 months of the year, and it is not a guarantee that if a certain company gave a certain dividend, as dividends is given based on the decision of each particular board. This is also based on the stock prices of each companies based on November 19, 2023. And do note that dividend yield is highly influenced by its stock price. We shall be giving you 30 companies. Comment down below 30 and we will rank it from the least to the highest company that gives dividend. We will also consider companies that give special dividends for the year. And again, just a disclaimer, if they gave a special dividend for this particular year, it is not a guarantee that they will give it again for the next year. It really depends. Also, we will include preferred stocks here. Our goal, if we are checking companies, is that at least they are 5% above. And in the 30 companies that we will show you here in this video, all of them, at least as of November 19, 2023, they are all above 5%. Whatever you watch here in this channel or in any video in YouTube regarding stocks, regarding dividends, please do your own research. It's your money, it's your responsibility. Here are the rankings. Number 30, PCB2D, Cirtec Holding Philippines Corp. It's a preferred company. Dividend yield 5.91%. 29, DDMPR, Double Dragon Meridian Park. It's a REIT stock, Real Estate Investment Trust, having a dividend yield of 6.03%. Number 28, RCR, Robinson's Land REIT, having a dividend yield of 6.07%. 27, OPM. This is not the original Filipino music, but Oriental Petroleum and Minerals Corp. It's a common stock having a dividend yield of 6.10%. Rank 26, MWP2B, Megawide Construction Corp. PFD. It's a preferred stock having a dividend yield of 6.18%. 25, FLI, Philinvest Land Incorporated. It's a common stock having a dividend yield of 6.21%. Now we are in rank 24, SGI, Solid Group Incorporated. It's a common stock having a 6.25% dividend yield. Rank 23, from the banking sector, CHIB, China Banking Corporation. It's a common stock having 6.25%. 22, ATI, Asian Terminals Incorporated. It's a common stock, 6.28%. 21, GLOPA. This is different from GLO, but it's still Globe, having a dividend yield of 6.40%. 20, Arthalan Corp Preferred Series D. It's a preferred share, having a dividend yield of 6.52%. 19, V REITs, dividend yield 6.95%. Would you believe there are a lot of REIT in our list and we are just in 19? If you have your favorite REITs, comment below. 18, CLI, Cebu Landmasters Incorporated. It's a common stock having a dividend yield of 7%. 17, DDPR, Double Dragon, having a dividend yield of 7%. Rank 16, CEU, from the school sector, academe sector. If you are from CEU, you can comment below if you are watching. It's a common stock having dividend yield of 7.06%. So we just finished half, and now to the second half. Rank 15, BRNP, A. Brown Co. Incorporated, having a dividend yield of 7.25%, and that's a preferred stock. Rank 14, FILRT, or Philinvest REIT Corporation, another REIT in the house, having a dividend yield of 7.37%. Rank 13, SHNG, or Shangri-La Property, having 7.82%. 12, M-REIT, Mega World Corporation, another REIT coming into the list, dividend yield 8.11%. 11, PLC, Premium Leisure Corp. It's a common stock having dividend yield of 8.37%. Now we are in the top 10. Number 10, RFM Corporation. Common stock having 8.44% dividend yield. Number 9, PLDT, or TEL, having a dividend yield of 8.71%. It's a common stock as well. Number 8, PREIT, Premier Island Power REIT, dividend yield 8.87%. Number 7, LTG, having a dividend yield of 9.9%. Rank 6, FJP, F&J Prince Holdings Corporation. It's a common stock having a dividend yield of 10.63%. So now our dividend yields are in the double digits. Number 5, Land, City and Land Developers Inc., having dividend yield of 11.68%. Rank 4, GMA 7, having a dividend yield of 13.38%. If you will notice in the trend, the dividend given by GMA, it's somehow declining, but we all know the closure of ABS-CBN, GMA 7 has greatly benefited from it. Number 3, DMCI Holdings. It's a common stock having dividend yield of 15.57%. DMC has high dividends because it's influenced by SEC, which leads us to number 2, SEC, Semirara Mining and Power Corporation. It's a common stock having 24.82%. So now it's in the 20s, and it's a lot, 24%. Down to the last one. What do you think is the top one in terms of dividend stock? Comment down below. Do you think you guessed it right? Number 1, MY, Mega World Construction Corporation. Guess what is the dividend yield? It's a whopping 31.35% dividend yield. Again, I will repeat it. It's not a typo. You did not hear it wrong. It's 31.35% dividend yield. Take note that this is the first time that they will give dividend, and it's high. It's not an indicator that they will give again 31% next year. So you can take advantage of this 31% given by MY. Hope this was something that was insightful for you. If you have any questions, put it down below. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, smash the bell so that you will be updated with new videos. If you want to learn more about stocks, click the link below. See the description. We also have 5 books in terms of investing by Marvin Germo. If you want to learn in-depth, check our technical analysis and fundamental analysis courses. It's a webinar, and you can watch it on demand at your own pace. Regardless of how busy you are, you can watch it on demand. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Again, God bless you. Like and subscribe.